Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we shall discuss about one of the not so interesting question, but yeah, maybe important question, which is marked as medium in the lead code, which is called as container with most water. You see here they give a question which is a bit confusing, but uh, to explain it to you in a simple language, which is they give you an integer array which is height. In height they give you multiple vertical lines. In this vertical lines, what you have to do is let us assume these as vertical lines as the poles. When you put water into those, which container, which of the two poles or which of the two vertical lines hold the most amount of water? That is the actual question. So you see, notice that you may not slant the container. Funny, but yeah, you you do not care about which two containers hold the most amount of water. What I meant by that is you don't need to return the containers or vertical lines which actually hold the water. All you need to return is maximum amount of water that container can store. So how do we solve it? Actually it is pretty simple. You can see, you can take 2 pointers. One is starting from the left, other is starting from the right, and you can keep moving from the left and to the right to the center. And meanwhile you can try the best which is having the most water. So let us see how what I meant by that. Let us do the declarations part at the end. And if I need to give you to solve this problem only 30 seconds of the time, see, this is how I do it. To give you the important line of the problem, which is like this. Like, let us say most water. What you are trying to find is the most water, right? So most water. So in most water, what you do is you'll find the max of most water and your formula, whatever the formula which you want to put here. Because they didn't give you any formula, you can ask even your interviewer what the formula is. So something like this. You can put some width into height. What is width into height? So width is the difference between these two poles, and height is the smallest pole, because you can only fill until the smaller pole, right? So width into height is your formula. So that is it. You have to build your code around this formula. Like how I usually do this is, what you can do is, this is the most water, right? You can declare you need to declare 2 pointers. You can declare left comma right. So left is the leftmost one, so you would make it 0, comma length of height. So the height is usually it will give you need one less because of the stack, and you can declare the most water equal to 0, because initially the most water is 0. So what do you do now? So all you have to do now, we just put while left is less than right. Okay, so what you have to do, find out the width equal to right minus left. That's it. And what else do you need to find out? Because here you have used width, right? That's why you have found out the width. Width is rightmost element minus leftmost element is the width. Now you have to find out the height. Height equal to, how do you find out the height? Like the minimum height of left or height of right. Did I put it right? Yeah, it should be right. So what this is doing is, like, you are deciding which one is the minimum, the least height. Like, if let's suppose you have selected these red vertical lines as are your finalized lines, which of them is the smaller one? That is H here. So I think this is self-explanatory. H is minimum of height of the left and to the height of the right. So that is your question. Now you have found out your most water. Okay. Now what you do is, all you have to do is, the only thing left out in this problem is you have to move your pointers, because there is left and there is right. So as of now, the left is pointed to this one, this small vertical line over here, and right is pointed to this large vertical line over here. So, but you have to move it, the left pointer to the right and right pointer to the left, right? So you can put a small if condition here. If height of left is less than height of right. Why it should automatically, oh yeah, I haven't put this column, that's why I think so. If height of left is less than is equal to, yeah, so if height of left is less than or is equal to, then it equal left equal to, if left height is smaller than the right, if the left height is smaller than the right, all you have to do is move your left pointer to a bit right, left equal to 1, right? Else move your right pointer to a bit left, so it is minus equal to 1. That's it. What you need to do at the end is, once this is done, all you have to do is you have to return the water. Return most water. I think this should work. So let's go ahead and test it. So let me run this. There is a runtime error. Let's see invalid syntax near the else. Oh, I think after the else I haven't put the colon. Let me run it again. Again the invalid syntax. Let me check the invalid syntax after the left, after the, what I might have missed. It must be something silly. Width is right minus left, height is min of height of the left, comma height of the right, and most water equal to max of most water, comma width into height. If height of left is less than height of right, oh shit, I mean, it's really sad. Yeah, else should be here. Else should be on the level of if. Excellent. Now it is accepting both the test cases. Both the test cases are successful. Now let me show you. You can see. So both the cases are successful now. So to explain you, don't just see it, go ahead and write your code by yourself. The only line which you need to focus on is this one, and this, once you write that, that's it. That takes only 30 seconds for you, and you can build it around it. Like first write the what is the most water, and you need to do the width into height, or you can put any formula you need here. You don't need to put width into height. You can put any formula you wanted. Let's say you wanted to put some complicated formula, like you wanted to find the cubic feet of the tank which is formed with these vertical lines. You can ask the interviewer, you can make it as complicated as you want, and you can write it. So yeah, I think that is this is one wonderful problem, and I see many of the submissions are failed. Not too many, but almost 40% of them are failed. So I see this, some companies have also asked. So all the best for your interviews. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.